Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to suspend unwanted tabs in Google Chrome to free up memory and keep your browser running smoothly. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open Chrome's main menu. This menu gives you access to all of Chrome's settings and features. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. When you hover over it, a side menu will pop out with additional extension-related options. From this side menu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to Google's official store where you can browse and install various extensions that add extra functionality to your browser. Now you'll be on the Chrome Web Store page. At the top of this page, you'll notice a search bar. Click on it and type in the Great Suspender Reloaded. This is a popular extension specifically designed to suspend inactive tabs and reduce Chrome's memory usage, which is exactly what we need for managing unwanted tabs. After typing the name, either press Enter or click the search icon to find the extension. From the search results, locate and click on the Great Suspender Reloaded extension. This will take you to the extension's dedicated page where you can read more details about what it does and how it works. Once you're on the extension page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button to begin the installation process. A small pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Go ahead and click Add Extension to complete the process. The extension will now be installed and ready to use in your browser. Next, navigate to any website or open a tab that you want to suspend. This could be any tab you're not actively using but want to keep open for later. With the tab open, look at the top right corner of your browser again. You'll see an icon that represents your extensions. It looks like a puzzle piece. Click on this extensions icon to view all your installed extensions. From the list of extensions that appears, find and click on Tab Suspender. This will open a small menu with suspension options specifically for managing your tabs. In this menu, you'll see an option that says Suspend this tab now. Click on it and the extension will immediately suspend the current tab. The suspended tab will remain open in your browser but won't consume nearly as much memory or system resources, making Chrome run faster and more efficiently. And that's it! You've successfully set up and used an extension to suspend unwanted tabs in Google Chrome, helping you manage browser performance without closing tabs you might need later. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.